that turmeric is not only beneficial for your health, but it also has many benefits for your skin and hair. Here are 4 ways you can use turmeric for beauty. 1. Facial mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help improve the appearance of your skin. You can make a turmeric facial mask by mixing turmeric powder with honey or yogurt to form a paste. Apply the paste to your face and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. This mask can help brighten your skin, reduce acne, and improve the overall texture of your skin. 2. Teeth whitening. Turmeric has natural whitening properties that can help brighten your teeth. Mix a small amount of turmeric powder with coconut oil to form a paste, and use it to brush your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing with water. Be careful not to use too much turmeric, as it can stain clothing and surfaces. 3. Hair mask. Turmeric can help nourish and strengthen your hair. Mix turmeric powder with coconut oil or yogurt to form a paste, and apply it to your hair from root to tip. Let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing it off with shampoo and conditioner. This hair mask can help reduce dandruff, nourish your hair, and promote hair growth. 4. Body scrub. Turmeric can help exfoliate and brighten your skin. Mix turmeric powder with sugar and coconut oil to form a scrub, and use it to gently exfoliate your skin in the shower. Rinse off the scrub with warm water, and follow up with a moisturizer. This body scrub can help remove dead skin cells, reduce the appearance of scars, and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. It's important to note that turmeric can stain clothing and surfaces, so be sure to protect your clothing and surfaces while using it. Also, if you have sensitive skin, you may want to do a patch test first to make sure you don't have an allergic reaction to turmeric. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.